appreciating the players playing, and even us at times here in the commentary box. That's the kind of affair it is whenever and wherever it's India versus Pakistan. It is the biggest battle.
You look back at 2012, it was an India versus Pakistan final. The match was tied and the trophy was shared by the two teams. You look back at the 2014 Under-19 Asia Cup final, it was again. Oh, and straight away had the batter feeling for that delivery. Zahoor too far wide outside off. Well, the only test was for the wicket-keeper, not for the batter on that occasion. Oh, back of length as he played that on. Very lucky. Hamza Zahoor could have chopped that back onto it.
Yeah, this is where he launches, goes big, outside edge, and it goes for 4. So the first boundary is at third man. Team, they've changed one. Niqab has come in. Niqab.
On the pad line, easy pickings for Minhas. He's going to open his account with a single.
Yeah, Minhas is somebody who is...
Takes the aerial route, he's got height, doesn't have the distance. Is Miran going to come around? Aaron George drops it. I think there was always a doubt about... Played off the meat of the blade, that's going to give the batter confidence. Hasn't got runs on that ball, but at least it's going to be easy. Oh, he connects this time around. Does Hamza Zahoor and dispatches it. That's gone the distance, the first 6 of the match, the first 6 of the final. By bowling these lines, by bowling this length, not give it to him in the slot to hit. Oh, this one's hit away in the air. Oh. Great effort at third man. It's Henil Patel. He's just bowled an over. And now fielding at third man, puts in the dive, cuts off. Clipped away off his pads, and this is going to be 4 more over the mid-wicket fielder. Minhas not holding back here, taking the aerial. Oh, well fielded. Superb effort. That's Kilan Patel in the covers. Much to the delight of the Indian supporters. Slashed away, but this will be 4. There was width on offer. And this final unchanged. Oh, that is tremendous, but has he got the distance on it? Got the height, and it's gone the distance towards the longest boundary. That's 6. Oh, the bat handle came loose. This could be a wicket. It will be a wicket. Ayush Matre, the captain, latches on to the catch, and this time around, Henil Patel tastes success. The Pakistan Under-19 side. The left-hander who walks out into the middle, Usman Khan, 65 runs. Oh. Just feeling for that first. Get off the mark with a single. Slightly wayward throw. Abhigyan. No. 2 slips in place, but that's not the line you would want to be bowling to. The bat. Now again down leg side. That's going to be called a wide as well. That's been played away. Now remember, these two sides faced off in a final back in 2012. Who played the next edition as well of the Under-19? That was 2014, which India was. Oh, that's played away in the air, and that's going to be 4. Helping it on its way, Usman Khan. Kishan needs to find his line very quickly. 2014. There was Sarfraz Khan who was in that squad. Lots of names, we keep bringing them to you for the moment, bringing home a single. Usman Khan just quickly rotating strike. In the air, the third man there has gone for 6. I wonder if he spot. It's a good delivery, good delivery. Henil Patel settled into a nice rhythm after picking up that wicket in his previous. And fished at it. Usman, lucky doesn't get the edge. Last over, we're talking about some big names playing for the national side today. Well, the crowd's built up, hasn't it? The embankment always comes on as the first change bowler, Dipesh Devendran for India. Pulled away over the infield. He's picked the length early and pulled it on the front foot for 4. That's going to give him a lot of confidence. The 50 comes up on the board for the Pakistan Under-19. Now looks for a single. That's intelligent batting. You've got a 4. Now rotate strike. Clipped away. It was on the pads and put away. This ball might have the...
But other than that, if you compare and contrast Ali Yunus, how they managed to... Punched away. Ayush Matre has something to chase and it beats him. Timing superb. Usman Khan looks in fine touch.
Beautiful delivery. That's where they need to be most of the time. So, Atish, if they go... Yeah, another thing that Atish hasn't...
Oh, he's taken the bowler on and sent it high in the sky. 6 of the highest order. Gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. Replay that again and again. It's gone towards square leg. Just beat him. Sameer Minhas with a stroke of luck.
He must not be that worried as he's played beautifully. Oh God, he can play. This boy has so many shots all around the ground.
That is a safe shot to play against the off spinner. So safe that it went along the carpet to the boundary. He is certainly one to watch out for. Sublime Sameer Minhas.
Sameer Minhas.
Over the bowler's head. Swatted away. He can ooze class and sometimes he can pack. Fetch that, would you? Usman Khan is oozing.
Again, the slog sweep. He's finding those spots and he's finding those gaps. These are useful runs and a very useful shot again.
That was against India, low scoring match, but look at that, Sameer Minhas will go down to the boundary for 4. Expensive over that. He's been good. He tries to pull this. It's in the air. Fielder there makes just when you say makes a mess of it, he holds on to that in the second attempt. Keelan Patel gets his man.
Well, I'm a little bit surprised.
Again, trying to give it the long handle, mistimes it, but it'll race to the boundary. That was just pure strength.
This is
To settle at all.
That is why I say the kind of body language, the kind of...
Did it get a nick? That's gone towards the sun. And beyond. The perfect example of rising to the occasion. The epitome of patience, talent and virtue today. Sameer Minhas, a century in the final.
Down the track. Is it over? Yes, it is. Fearless, fabulous, involved. It's for them.
Again, this is in the air. Just chipped it, and that is good enough to clear the boundary. Another 6 off the bat of Sameer Minhas. Look at this partnership of 101 and still going on. 37 to Ahmed Hussain. That's a very good point. That's a very good point you bring, Ali.
Done a great job.
Yeah, well, it certainly has been a big honor for the Afghanistan cricket. Comes down the track. Sameer Minhas. You cannot stop him. That's a maximum.
Yeah, smashing Sameer Minhas.
Guys, scrappers, and they are because Sameer Minhas is out in the middle and he's... Oh, he tries to sweep it. Loud appeal. But I believe he's got a neck to it because that's the...
At this moment, he can do no wrong. A shot carved out. Short and to be hit. Swats it away. And he's been holed out. Keelan Patel
Yeah, to me the role is very clear. Just supports the. Wow. Just wow. Some shots don't need words. You just need to see them. Frees his arms. Sends it. On what has been a gorgeous day for Pakistan under 19. It has been a gargantuan performance by Sameer. Work of art once more. He can do no wrong. This is what he was looking for. That Yorker negotiated very well though. Boom! A second sun in the sky. Is this it? Is this the moment? It is! It is! Finally! Finally they see the back of the villain of group stage encounter.
And that's... Oh, was that a chance? Struck really hard. Struck fearlessly, struck for 4. The captain, Farhan Yusuf. And he can hit, but straight into the hands of the fielder. Hassan's got to go. We saw his big hitting prowess in that previous match when these two sides were up against each other in the group stage, but not today. It's Kanish Chopra.
Oh yes, Dan gone bold. Yeah, attempted few different tricks in the previous over, not to be this time. Didn't get the connection. He's appealing for it. Oh yes, given out. What a fantastic period for India team in this game.
Under 19s made for the final. Takes the aerial route. There's a fielder there. Gets under it. Thank you very much. Henil Patel takes the catch. Dipesh Devendran gets his third wicket in the final. And he's another slower one. Again, they're wanting the pace on the bat, which is something that Henil Patel hasn't offered. Goes big. And that has gone the distance and more. So wrapping up the innings with a 6, they get dominated by Sameer Minhas. Another big knock. He got 177 earlier. That was against the Malaysian side. His partnership initially 92 with Usman Khan. And then that 137-run stand between Hussain and Minhas.
Ali Raza give Pakistan a fiery start because guess what? He'd be up against two players who have already made their name. It doesn't matter what their records are at the under-19 level. They have showcased their... He takes him on and sends a message towards all those fans waiting to come in. That's how you lay down a marker, Suryavanshi. A free hit and he makes Ali Raza pay. 2 legal deliveries, 13 already on the board. Oh, trying to give it the long handle once more. Big appeal. A little high. That's into the Dubai Marina. Oh, drop catch. Better fielding effort required in the crowd. Streaky. But this is how he plays. This is his intent. Mid-off. Straight to the fielder. The captain, completely flummoxed, has to head out as things get... His 4th match, the last 3... Edge, no second slip. George gets off the mark with a streaky little boundary.
Edge, yes! Gone! Big, big wicket! Ali Raza strikes! What a time, what a moment in this game! Superb Ali Raza!
Inside edge.
No, that's a sound of the bat hitting the ground. Just coming back to the chase. Now you're chasing 348. Great knock by Minhas without for the Pakistan side.
That's something that makes the batter even happier when his...
Still got a lot of time in this game. If you can pace your innings, albeit this is a good over by Subhan. These two batters as well, if one were to look back, even 80 odd to get, who knows which way it goes.
They've got to believe in their ability. Once again, it's in the air, shot and a chance, and taken. Sayam with his heavy balls, the shorter ones, is proving fatal for the Indian batters. It's Trivedi.
But he got runs with the bat when he also...
This is some aggressive stuff.
Good lengths. He's just forcing the batter to play at every delivery.
Yeah, this is a good short ball, just keeping the batter honest, not allowing.
But for the moment, the spinner has been greeted to the bowling crease by a towering six by Abhigyan Kundu. He says there's still some fight left.
Driven beautifully in the gap. This is in the air. Chance for the fielder, and he spills it. There was a lot of time under the...
Sliced away. Just a single here for... That could be taken. It will be taken. He's found a man, a third man. He didn't have to move an inch. It was almost like it was a Christmas gift delivered. He's a capable bat, Ganesh Chauhan.
Yeah, talk about this attack.
Game. They may have that thought about to what they could have done when they won the toss.
His brilliance first posted a big total on a final, and because of that big total, India got under pressure. Remember, they were chasing 304.
See, there is no doubt that scoreboard pressure is on. There is no doubt about it. That's not even a discussion. But
That's the reason why they have lost 6 wickets. Also remember, Pakistan under 19, Roshan, what hasn't gone in their favour is they've lost wicket, and you rightly pointed.
they need that consistent batting.
He's so focused on the game.
Well, it's not over until it's over. So you...
Pakistan under 19 have actually shown some...
So you'll expect that. You'll expect them to throw themselves around. It's the self-confidence.
Oh, this is in the air. And taken. Farhan Yunus, skipper, completes the catch as Ali Raza gets another wicket.
Extra bit of pace.
Is third as India lose 7. Yeah, well. Any doubts? Look at that. 47 wickets in counting.
That's been the story of Indian batting today. Rather...
Oh, he gets that in the slot. And he sends it off for a maximum. A rare sight in this India under 19 bat. Nicely played. Smashed the first one 6, found it in his arc. A second. And just bowled. He's put on some player of the match performances, and they can just relax for a little bit, come back. Well, I think India under 19, when they were bowling, especially in the last 7 overs, gave away only 45 runs.
See, I'm a bit surprised because I did see India...
The pictures tell you the story. You don't even need the words behind him. So there was some preparation before this tournament.
Again, a big one. Should go all the way. Oh, it's fielded in the deep. Good work.
I'm sure the Indian fans with a broken heart will be able to relate to that. And then in the final, that one game only against Australia, they lost. And they lost a chance of lifting that. Comes down the track, charges on and sends it off for a maximum.
Well, they look to play shots like that.
You look at the most wickets at the ACC Men's Under-19 Asia Cup. Mujibur Rahman, that 2017 edition of the Under-19 Asia Cup was won by a... And he took 20. That kept him out of the game for more than a year. He continued the recovery, but he came back, but then he couldn't just...
Really recovered. And this is going down for the big hit and chance for Siam, and he takes it. Easy one. And the off-spin option has worked. Essen coming in, and off his fourth delivery is picked up the wicket.